Well, this is about as steep as I've tackled before, mate.
Well, yeah, I think this is a good time to give hill descent control a go. We're basically just going to let the Ranger drive down itself. You up for it?
Yeah, a little bit nervous, but keen.
Yeah.
Let's try.
Okay, let's do it. So if you just press the switch there, it's the one with the car going down the hill.
It's on.
Okay. So now what we're going to do is put it into drive, and we're going to just take your feet slowly off the brake, and we're just going to start crawling down.
I can feel that system working straight away.
Yeah, that's the Ranger basically braking individual wheels to keep it at the speed you've selected.
Yeah.
Should we make it a little bit more exciting? If you use the cruise control buttons, we can increase the speed a bit. You can actually select what speed you want the car to come down at. You can also obviously reduce it with the foot brake.
Just keep away from these rocks if I can get over to the...
Now you're doing well. This isn't an easy drive.
We are home, mate. We're back to earth.